Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazwan Yusof, a senior lecturer from Universiti Malaysia Pahang. Today I will show you on how you can resolve a force using an angle. In the previous lecture, we already learned on how to resolve a force using a triangle. Therefore, in this lecture, we will learn on how to resolve a force using an angle. Now let's take a look at this force here. F, okay, the single force, and also Fx and Fy, okay, the force that we resolve to x direction and also y direction. Let's say we have an angle between the force F here and also Fx, like this one here. And this angle can be expressed in sine and also cosine, like this one. Okay, sine theta is equals to Fy over F, and cos theta is equals to Fx over F. Let's rearrange this equation a little bit. Okay, like this one. We bring the force F to the right side. So we have F sine theta equals to Fy, and also we have F cosine theta equals to Fx. Because we want to find the value of Fx and also Fy, so rearrange this one again. So we have Fy equals to F sine theta, and we have Fx equals to F cosine theta. Now, these two equations here will be our main equations to calculate the force of Fx and also Fy. As you can see here, when we want to calculate the force Fx or Fy here, we use either sine theta or cosine theta depending on the location of the angle. Now, I have one simple method on how you can choose whether it is sine or cosine when we want to resolve the force. Let's say we change our angle here into an egg, like this one, egg, and then let's imagine that our force F and also Fx here as a foot tong. This one is a foot tong. Okay, so it will be like this. So we have F and also Fx as the foot tong. Now, let's say we want to resolve the force F here to x direction. F to x. F to x direction. So what will happen to the egg between these two forces here? The egg here will be crushed. Now, you can see here, when we want to resolve a force into x direction with the angle or the egg between it, it will crush. So, crush start with C here. So, we can say it is a cosine. Okay, as simple as that. Means that when we want to resolve a force like this, okay, to a specific direction where the angle is between it, so we will crush it, so we use cosine to solve this one. Simple, Now, what about Fy? This one, okay? When we resolve it to y direction, the egg is safe. I think you already get the picture, When we say it is safe, starts with S, so it will be sine theta. So, to calculate Fy, F, move to y direction, the egg will be safe, so we use Fy equals to F sine theta. That's it. So, this is the method that I created since 2015, and I call it as a crush or save method. Imagine again, force, angle as an egg, whether we crush or we save the egg. So it is a crush or save method. Now, let's do some simple exercise. Let's look at this force here. We have 450 Newton of force, and we have an angle, okay, between the force and also the Fx. This one, okay, force here, Fx here. And the angle is here, okay? So, when we want to resolve F 450 Newton, from here resolve to x direction, F to x direction, what will happen to the angle? crush. So, to calculate fx, fx equals to 450 cosine 60. Simple, huh? Next, let's take a look at another exercise. Let's say we have a force of 500 Newton and the angle is like this. Can you see or not? Okay, this is Fy and the angle is like this. And we want to find the value of Fx. So when we try to resolve this force here, from here to x direction, what will happen to the egg? Saved. Okay, the egg will be saved. So we use as sign. Okay, simple. So Fx is equals to 500 sine 30 degree. Oh, easy, yeah? Okay, if you want to do more exercise, you can scan this QR code here to play an interactive game. See you again in the next lecture video. Bye bye.